To Flutter Bits, where the goal is to provide quick overviews to some key Flutter widgets that you can immediately use and expand upon in your own Flutter projects. As always, links to further information and code samples will be below, and if you find this information useful, please like and subscribe. Today, we're going to play around with the flip card package. First thing we need to do is add the package to our pub spec YAML. Once we've done that, we can now use it in our project. Let's go ahead and import it. Now what we're going to do is in the center, we're going to add our child flip card widget. And the flip card takes a front and back widget. And today we're going to be using those to display a card is just going to be the Queen of Hearts. As you can see, we have the back of the card, and then when we click on it, we have the front of the card. Click back, click forward. I've used this for several projects, including a translation project, but let's do something new here. So let's say we want to actually wrap this widget within a draggable. So the back side of this widget will now be a draggable widget. So when we flip it over, only this side will be draggable for us. So let's say the feedback will be the same as the child, and then basically the child, while dragging, will just be a sized box with width of 1. All right, so let's refresh this again. So we have our card. It is not draggable, but as soon as we flip it, now it becomes draggable, just like you would use in a card game. It's also important to note that you can have a ton of these cards on one screen. So let's go ahead and wrap this in a column, and we're just going to literally copy this flip card and create another one. Now let's refresh. Now we have 2 cards, and both behave independently of each other, and both become draggable. Like and subscribe for the next issue, and as always, the links to the code are down below.